Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on a POCO C50. And to do this you need to open your Google Play Store. Here find app called NotifyBuddy. Install it. When it's ready, click on the open. Move to the next step and grant 3 permissions. Last right here is battery optimization, which is optional to disable, and I'm gonna leave it enabled. And from here you can start using your app. There's 4 tabs: user, system, active, and the settings. In user you can pick any apps and allow them for custom LED lamp notifications. In system you can find all system bound apps. In active there's all apps that you've just activated, and in the settings you can customize the LED lamp. There's also ads, as you can see, but we can skip them. And here let's click on test button to see the LED lamp. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.